Now we're live. I think I need to wipe out my. Hello, Moi Ching Chua is here in the house. Yeah, I'm just at home. Hi, nephew from Vanji TV. That's my aunt. From Doc Lloydie Ben. Hi, bro. Thanks sa pag-support. Moi Ching Chua. Nag-ilis na pod ka. Wala ko nag-ilis. Galing na ako sa bahay. Mo kanina. Wow. Sir Chris, my ECH. May may ECH? Anong ECH po? Bawal ang mag-in-English. Yeah, we need to speak English because we have international viewers too. So we should speak English. From Mon Santiago, thank you for that thumbs up. Thank you. I'll be reading your comments just a while. Hold on. I'm setting up my uh, monitor here. Happy first day of the ghost month, by the way. It's a ghost month. Magbisaya lang from Moy Ching Chow. Moy Ching Chow. Hey, Sean Smith. Nay echo. What do you mean echo? Daan lang ako by Chris. Matulog na din ako. Daan thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Hi, host from Happy Vlogs. Yes. Hello, everyone from Happy Vlogs. Thank you for dropping by my live stream, guys. How are you doing again, Sean? We were talking earlier in Doc Lloydie Ben's live stream earlier. Hi, Happy from Sean Smith. Yeah. Hello, everyone from Happy Vlogs. Sean, hello, sis, from Happy Vlogs. Sean is a guy. Happy Vlogs. Ay, ha ha ha. You and I were talking on Doc's live stream, Chris Soy, from Sean Smith. I'm reading through my phone here, so yeah, yeah. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, please. How are you? Happy vlogs from Doc Lloydie Ben. Sean Smith is giving us a thumbs up. Thanks, Sean Smith. Thanks for my 9 viewers and 8, I believe that's 8 thumbs ups. You're welcome. Yes, thank you so much, Sean. Guys, if you're not yet friends with each other, please do go to each other's uh, channels. Antok na, good night. Yeah. Salamat Mon Santiago. Good night din sa'yo. Hello bro from BK Monzito. How's your first day of the ghost month, by the way? Ayos lang ba so far? Uh, I'm doing good, thank you, BK Monzito, for asking. Yes, it's ghost month. Ghost month? Hindi po ba November? Sa Catholic Church or sa Catholic na religion, siguro yun yung sa November. Kaso, dun sa ano, sa Chinese culture, August is the start of the ghost month. August 1. Yun. Bro, silent live lang. Oh, silent live. Are you still on live streaming, Doc Lloydie Ben? Kain muna ako. Okay. Okay. Kain ka muna dyan. Hey BK. Good to know from BK Monzito. Uh, Sean Smith said, hey BK. Hi Sean Smith from BK Monzito. Be my live stream is loading right now. From Clotic. Hello. Yes, hello. Okay, if you're not yet friends with Clodic, please go to that channel. Do everything that you can. From Sean Smith, hi Clodic. Bro, loading po. Yeah, I'm sorry. And hi Sean from Clodic. Nice whistling, Christoy. Thank you. Do you know how to whistle too, Sean? I can't whistle to save my life. Is that a song, Clodic? I bet that's a song. Am I still loading? Is my video still loading? I might need to restart this whole thing. Guys, if you're not yet friends with Clodic, please do. Please go to Sean Smith's channel too. Doc Lloydie Ben. Who else? BK Monzito. Mon Santiago. Who else? Hmm. Happy Vlogs. Go to their channels. Heidi Inting. Who else? Mui Ching Chow. Mui Ching Chow is also a good subscriber. Let's support his channel too. Who else? Vanji TV. Shout out to you. That's my aunt. Who else? I bet that's all. Am I still loading? I'm sorry, I haven't been on. I haven't been on. I'm in vacation in Orlando. And I forget to check my phone, and yes, it's still loading. Yeah. How do they do that? If your video is loading, your the audio should also be like loading. That's weird. I'm watching this live stream. Thank you, thank you so much, Sean Smith. But I believe the live video is not working. But can you hear me fine? Is it loading or something? I believe I got bad internet connection right here. You're welcome from Sean Smith. Yes. Thank you so much for staying on this live stream. Toy Chua. Hello, host. Yes, from Toy Chua. Long time no see. Yeah, I've been busy lately, so I just had to uh, go to work. Long pala. Kaya nga. From Sean Smith. Hey, Toy. If you're not yet friends, please hit each other's channel so that you can support each other. Sean, hello from Toy Chew. Clot Clotic. Clotic says, "Hi, Toy." Yeah, I was thinking Doc Lloydie Ben was actually suggested by the other viewers, some of his viewers, to do like a raffle video, something like a giveaway video. So we might want to do that. I can be like a sponsor. I can sponsor at least like two uh let's make it five. Five 100 pesos load to Doc Lloyd events giveaway. I can sponsor. Hmm. I really am having a bad connection today. I don't know what pesos are. I use American money. Yeah, I'm gonna do the giveaway for I mean not me. I'm just gonna sponsor the five uh 100 pesos worth of load to Doc Lloydie Ben's giveaway. I'm not sure when. It will depend on Doc Lloydie Ben's schedule. From Doc Lloydie Ben, really, bro? Thank you very much. No, no problem, Doc. Doc Lloydie Ben, hi, Claudic. Thank you very much, bro, from Doc Lloydie Band. I'm having a bad connection right now, so please do bear with me. I might need to reset everything. Sir Chris from BK Monzito. Yes, thank you for the 11 thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate it. Buffering po, yeah. I'm really having a bad connection right now, so please bear with me. Let me just let me just try to reset it. Okay, from BK Monzito. Hi, Claudic. Hello, Christoy from Nida Sari. Is it still loading or buffering or something? Hello, sir, from Lilibet Paglinawan. Yes, thank you for coming by, Ma'am Lilibeth. Bro, sounds lang. Yeah. Ano bang nangyayari dito? Please give